If your parrot's eyes suddenly shrink to tiny dots, they're not just looking at you, they're screaming an emotion you need to know. Parrot eye pinning is one of the most fascinating and misunderstood behaviors. When their pupils rapidly shrink and expand, it's like a mood ring for birds. Excitement? Their eyes might pin when they see a favorite toy. Anger or fear? Same reaction but with fluffed feathers or a raised crest. Some parrots even pin their eyes when they're about to sing or mimic sounds. The key is context. Watch their body language. Are they leaning in or backing away? Are their feathers relaxed or puffed up? Once you crack the code, you'll understand your feathered friend on a whole new level. Did your parrot ever surprise you with eye pinning? Drop a comment with your wildest bird moment.